Are you stuck with what to feed your child on a long haul flight? Yes, you have the in-flight meals, but we all know that when we have under fives who are snacking all the time, are fussy eaters, and have very strong opinions about what they will and won't do, what do we do on these long haul flights? Well, I'm going to be sharing with you my tips for success from our recent trip to Walt Disney World. We were on the plane for over 10 hours and we had all sorts of snacks and activities for our little one. Now, if you want to learn more about what we took on our trip, including what we packed in the backpack, there will be more videos coming up. But for now, let me talk to you about our snack box. The first thing that you need to be thinking about is what are the tools I'm going to need to get us through this trip. For me, the absolute number one tool is a really good snack box. Now, I've actually gone with a haberdashery box because I felt like the compartments were a much better size and I'd be able to get way more snacks in. So I'm going to talk you through this. First things first, we have got fresh fruit. Now, things like grapes are great because you can leave them on the vine and they will last that little bit longer. Blueberries are also a favorite and they give them that little bit of an energy boost. You would think on a 10-hour flight, they may not need an energy boost, but their brain is going all of the time. They're looking for ways to keep themselves active. And a lot of the times, little ones won't sleep or nap on the flight. So they're going to be more tired. Next, we've got an apple bar. We go for quite a plain one just because it's my little one's preferences. But I know there's lots of places you can get these. Ours come from Aldi. You can also get them Sainsbury's, Tesco's, Asda, most supermarkets. We also have the ever trusty Soreen banana bread. It is always a hit. Now, for something a little bit sweeter, chocolate options, penguins, pick up a penguin, and the Freddos. These are a great snack size portion, and you can even, like with the Freddos, give them half now and half later if you kind of want to divide it through the trip. We also have included seaweed crisps. Now, admittedly, this is not actually something that my little one would eat. This is more something that Mia and my husband would enjoy on the flight. But I do know that there are a lot of kids out there that love the salty taste of the seaweed crisps. Similarly, one thing my little one does love is Ryvita Thins. They come in all different flavors. He's not a spicy person, so he wouldn't go for the sweet chili, but the rosemary and sea salt is a big win. We've also got pretzel bites, barbecue. Let me grab this one here. Love corn. This is smoked barbecue flavor. Honestly, we all love this one. This is a great shout for the family, and the size of the bags you get a good value. The ever classic mini cheddars. And then I've got a couple of things that will help with the takeoff and landing. So you want something that they can suck on, but also to make it a bit enjoyable. If your kids are anything like mine, they might be a little bit worried, and this just makes it a bit more fun. We've got Haribo Fruitalicious, Love Hearts, and Spearmint Candy Cane. Specifically spearmint with any ear popping or if they're feeling nauseous. These are things that worked really well for us. As you can see, I have got, let me count here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 different types of snacks all in this container, and it fits really nicely into there. So a haberdashery box or craft boxes or anything like that, just because the sizes are a little bit better. If you're looking for somewhere to buy your snack box, then do check out the description down below. When you're thinking about snacks, really go for something sweet, something salty, some fruit, some veg. Obviously, do check your local regulations and with the regulations of the country you're traveling to. Another fun suggestion is you can either print out or, like I have done, do a very rough mock-up of a dinner plate setting. This can be something that while your child is waiting for the airplane food, which we all know can take time sometimes, they can be decorating this. Now, if your drawing skills are anything like mine, it might be a bit rough around the edges, but honestly, do not worry. And I'm sure this will keep them entertained quite a while. You can always print off a few of these, use the photocopier. They don't take up much space. They don't have any weight to them. Just pop them in the back of your travel doc wallet and off you go. And then it means at meal times, there's just something a little bit fun that they can even be looking forward to. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Please make sure to let me know down below what snacks you're going to be taking on your next trip, whether it's for yourself or for your kids. Because let's face it, none of us love to be hungry. I've been VC, this has been The Hue of Fun, and I'll catch you real soon.